In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos from Patreon. We'll keep things straightforward and make sure you're doing it the right way, supporting creators and staying within Patreon's rules so you can save the content you've paid for and watch it whenever you like. First, head to patreon.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct login and that your membership or payment method is current. If you have access to both mobile and desktop, a desktop browser often makes it easier to find download options and manage files. Once you're in, you're ready to locate the creator or post you're interested in. Next, open the creators page or navigate directly to the post you want. Keep in mind that downloading is usually reserved for paying members or purchasers. Creators decide which tiers include downloads, so if you see a lock icon or a paywall, that's normal. Choosing the right tier or offer ensures you get the download legitimately while supporting the person who made the video. Now find the video you want. You can browse the creator's posts, use any filters they provide, or search by title or tags if available. Open the specific video post to see all the details. Many creators include the video itself on the page, and some attach downloadable files or provide a link in the post description. Take a moment to read any notes from the creator, as they often explain where the download button or file lives. If the video requires a purchase, click Buy Now and complete your purchase. Follow the on-screen checkout prompts, confirm the amount, and finalize payment. After the purchase goes through, Patreon will unlock the content associated with that offer. Depending on the creator, you might unlock a single download, a bundle, or ongoing access as part of a membership. At this point, you should be able to download the video from the creator. Look for a clearly labeled download button, an attached file, or a secure link provided in the post. Click to save the file and choose a folder you'll remember, like a dedicated Patreon downloads folder. If you're on mobile, make sure you have enough storage and know where your device saves downloads. A stable internet connection helps avoid corrupted files, especially with larger videos. And remember, these downloads are typically for your personal use. Avoid sharing or redistributing them without permission. If something doesn't appear after purchase, refresh the page, check the creator's instructions, or reach out to the creator's support channels. That's it. Log in, open the creator's content, select your video, complete the purchase, and download. Enjoy your videos, and thanks for supporting the creators you love.